Hello viewers, welcome to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Today let's see how to make green rice or mint and coriander rice. Let's take a look at the ingredients first. Take a handful of mint leaves and a handful of coriander leaves. Wash it well. Chop one big onion and two green chilies. Today for this recipe I'm using normal cooking rice. You can also use basmati rice if you want. I have taken around 1 cup of rice, washed it well and soaked it in water for 30 minutes. This rice goes well with raitha. So today I am making cucumber and onion raitha. So for that I have chopped cucumber and onion finely. Let's get cooking. Add the mint and coriander leaves in a blender and blend it smoothly into a fine paste using a little bit of water. Today I'll be making this recipe in an open pot. So for that I have taken the pot, added a little bit of oil. Now I'm adding all the fresh masalas like the cinnamon stick, cardamom or elaichi, star anise, bay leaf and little bit of cloves. After this, I'm adding the chopped onions and green chilies. Green chilies, I've added only 2 green chilies today. You can add more or less if you want. Saute well. Now the raitha is ready. Serve the mint rice with onion and cucumber raitha. I'm sure everyone will enjoy this. Do try the recipe and share your comments. Like and share the videos with your friends. Please subscribe to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye.